Here we go. Hi, my inspirationals. Welcome back to another video inspired by Rachel. No, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Inspired by Rachel. Y'all, my brain be going in overload, so I have to think every little thing I say. It's like I got ADHD, but I ain't never been diagnosed. It's crazy. But, you know, I wanted to come on here and just do a quick video. And for my women that's probably, you know, I want to say 25 and up. And mainly into their 30s. I know a lot of us, we worry about our skin drooping, sagging, all that stuff. You get the wrinkles under here, the little crow's feet around the eyes. Y'all look at my face. My face is doing pretty good to be 36. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys what I've been using, because for me, I don't like putting all those creams on my face that dry my face out. All that stuff. I don't like doing that. That's just too much work. You got to put on this. You got to put the moisture back in your skin and all that. Let me tell you guys, mainly the only thing I use on my skin, and like I always say in my other videos, some of y'all ain't got no mama to tell you, auntie, grandmama, none of that to tell y'all what proper supplements to put in your body to produce results on the inside that you like, to make your skin. I mean, some people think that you need all these supplements to make your skin glow, to make your skin shiny, and you absolutely don't need that. Let me show y'all what I use. Y'all see this stuff right here? Collagen. This collagen is stuff that us women need when we start to age. This collagen right here, it says it on here, it's collagen. It's for your skin, hair, nails, and joint support. Let me tell y'all, when I started taking this stuff 2 months ago, I noticed, like, you know, when you wake up in the morning, you're kind of sore and your bones and all that hurt, that went away. I noticed with my hair is getting a lot thicker. It's really thickening up. My nails, I don't know what's going on with my nails. I wear fake nails all the time, so I ain't really looking to do nothing with my nails. But the main thing that I've noticed, y'all, with my skin, I'm telling you, I had some little things in my face. I know within 2 weeks, those start to clear up. I notice it's this tone, like a shine. If y'all can kind of see it, my skin kind of shines a little bit. It's not from any creams or anything that I use, because I don't use none of that stuff. I just take this stuff. You can take it 2 times a day. You can put it in your coffee in the morning. You can put it in your tea at night. When you put it in hot liquids, it dissolves faster. You can put it in cold liquids, but you just have to do a little bit more stirring in order to get it to the right consistency. But y'all, I love this stuff right here. I'm telling you, y'all can see that? Take this stuff. You won't have no regrets. I mean, it's good to use your little stuff to clean your skin and keep the dirt out of it. But as far as making your skin shiny and keeping your skin tight, this is what women need, because the older we get, we start to lose collagen in our body, and that's what make our skin starts to sag, and it make us look older than what we really are. So you know what? You can go online and get this. You can get it at Walmart, any health food store. But let me tell you something. Once you start aging, make sure you put collagen back into your body. You will not regret it. It is it's supposed to give you energy. I really haven't felt that, no energy from it, but it says youthful appearance, skin hydration, skin elasticity, how do you say that word? Elasticity, whatever. Hair and nail support, mix it in hot or cold liquids, healthy joints and bones. 20 grams of collagen peptides, y'all. This is some good stuff. This I'm telling y'all, I'm not gonna come on here and give y'all nothing that I'm not using, or try to sell y'all a product that's, you know what, that isn't good. When I come on here and recommend something, that means it is good. With my skin, like I said, I don't use nothing on my skin really. I use this, and I make sure I wash my face with the Dove soap and water, and sometimes I might, you know, put a little moisturizer on it, but for the most part, it's just this. Start using this within a week, 2 weeks time, you'll notice a big difference in your skin. You sure will. It's really good. It has lysine in it. It has valine. It has glycine, alanine, arginine. This stuff is essential amino acid. It is really good, you guys. So go get some of this stuff. They got it in all different kinds. They got the flavored kind. This is unflavored. I like the unflavored kind, because if I'm thinking of something like all the way from when I had my kids, you know how we got to drink those freaking nasty drinks to see how your sugar is. I cannot really drink anything that's flavored, so I just rather go with the unflavored stuff. And you know what? You combine 1 to 2 scoops with 8 ounce of liquid. Mix it good, and you good to go. You will notice your skin shining, popping and all of that. You know, I'm not gonna sit up here and say I got the best skin, but you know what? It's trying, I can see it's trying to do something. You know, we women, we don't want our skin freaking around here sagging and we freaking 30 and look 40 or 40 and look 50. Y'all. Help me out, y'all. Don't do that to yourself. Yeah, but like I said, go get you some collagen. Go get you some collagen. And this ain't no paid video. I just thought I'll come over here. I done tried it for like 2 months and it's working for me. Go get you some of this. It comes in all different colors. Collagen peptides, and you will not regret it. You won't regret it. But anyway, y'all, I hope you enjoyed that little 5.5-minute video. Like I always say, you guys, you know what? Hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, y'all. You know what? Leave me a comment in the description box if you tried this stuff or if you're gonna go get it, and let me know what your results are and if you like it, you know. And whenever you leave me a comment down below, you know what? Guess what? That inspires me to make more content for you guys. Whenever you leave me a comment down there in the comment section, guess what, you guys? You inspire me to make more content, and you will become one of my inspirationals. I love it. Y'all don't understand. I love uplifting. I love encouraging women. And reason being is because I did not have that growing up. I did not have that. You can't really knock somebody for not knowing, you know? So, you know, it's the older women's jobs to teach the little ones what to do, you know? And like my older daughter, I be trying to tell her something. You know how teenagers are. I know, Mom. I know you don't know, because if you did know, you'll be doing it. So yeah, it's our job as older women to teach the younger women, so they ain't got no excuse to be walking around here face all bumped up and just looking dry and all that stuff. No. Every woman want that pregnancy glow, even if you ain't pregnant, you know? So do something to take care of your skin. And you know what, y'all? Okay, that's it for this video. I love y'all, and there's nothing you can do about it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. Like I always say, right now I'm at almost 100 subscribers. By the end of this month, I want 200. By the end of the other month, I want 400. I'm going to keep setting goals, and I'm going to just, you know, keep setting goals. Put it out there. I'm going to keep uploading important content for you guys so you will learn and you can know. And when you don't know something, you ain't got nobody to ask you, just click on YouTube. Like let me go to that girl, Inspired by Rachel. She be, you know what? She be telling us some stuff that we need to know, some vital information, you know? So yeah, go get y'all some collagen. Take care of your skin. Take care of your insides. And like I always say, I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it. Goodbye until next time, y'all.